In this video, I am going to provide you with some quick tips for reasons why you might have structural ridge failure. And the most common is going to be the fact that you don't have any rafter ties or ceiling joist. So that's going to be number one. Number two will be undersized rafters. If the original builders used lumber that was thin or spaced too far apart, then the wood won't be able to support the weight of the roof over these long spans. Next up, inadequate internal bracing. If the attic doesn't have proper struts or knee walls to support the rafters, then the ridge is going to bear more of the load. Next up, let's take a look at excessive weight. And this is going to be another biggie if you have multiple layers of roof shingles. And this is going to happen when you install new shingles over the old ones. And yes, I remember one time installing roofing over a house that already had 2 layers of asphalt roof shingles. But I couldn't convince the owner of the house to do anything about it. Next up, snow or ice accumulation in colder climates. Heavy snow loads or ice dams can exert thousands of pounds of extra pressure on the roof ridge that it wasn't originally designed to handle. And don't forget that the pressure put on the roof rafters or other parts of the roof is probably going to affect the roof ridge. And next up, one of my new favorites you're starting to see problems with, that will be loading excessive weight on top of your roof. And one of those might be new solar panels. And even though this one isn't that common, you could have a problem if someone installed some type of a condensation unit for an air conditioner or even a complete HVAC unit on top of your roof without structurally reinforcing it. The next up, roof leaks. Small leaks near the ridge vent can cause the ridge board or the tops of the rafters to rot. Dry rot or wet rot can make the lumber softer and eventually cause it to sag. And of course, poor attic ventilation can be a problem. If heat and moisture are trapped in the attic, then the humidity can cause the wooden rafters or other parts of the roof to warp, deform, or lose their structural stiffness over time as the wood absorbs moisture. Another problem could be the building foundation if it is settling or sinking into the ground. Or you have other parts of the foundation, for example, the center of a wood-framed floor that could have termite damage, wood rot, or other structural components like posts or walls that are sagging along with a building foundation, then this could actually pull the ridge down. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.